So we grew mums for the first time this year, and I'm going to talk about if we made money, what we learned, did we lose money, are we going to do it again, and why we're doing it, or why we did it, and why we're going to keep on doing it or not keep on doing it. So we'll start off with, this is one of the ones we raised. This was a big seller. It's kind of purple with some white, and we had some really pretty ones turn out for us, and the good one's got some, it's got the orange and the yellow, and this is a nice flower here. This is a nice mum. So why did we start raising mums, or why did we try it this year? Of course, you know, we're like everybody else. We're a small farm, and we're trying to diversify. And we thought this would be something that would be something we could try, especially in the fall. Because in the fall we're kind of limited on what we can sell. So we were going to grow a bunch of pumpkins. Of course, that didn't turn out very well because of our drought. And mums, and we was going to sell them at our farm stand. And you know, we was going to try that. And we really want to diversify for something in the fall. We want to sell some fall honey. Of course, didn't have any fall honey this year either. We just had some really bad weather and some really bad luck. So, but that's why we started, and boy, did we learn a lot. Actually, I got an email probably in July or something from a nursery that said they had some on discount, and we decided to go ahead and buy them and try them. So we ordered 400, and we went what, three a pot if you go late. And so we had about 130, and I ended up using the wrong soil, so it killed every one of those. So what I used was something I'd start my seeds in, so can't do that. So I called the company and asked them what I did wrong, and I told them what I planted them in. They told me I need to do a bark base, so they felt sorry for me, so they sent me some for free, and then I ordered some more. We ended up with about another 150 and pots. So I put them in that new mix, and they did great. So if you're going to do it, they need to be, you know, bark based mix. I started with a peat mix, or peat base mix, and that's what I generally use to start my seeds in. So that's one of the lessons we learned, and we learned that you have to really throw the fertilizer to them. The ones we didn't fertilize as well don't turn out as good. So, but I mean, we're just tickled to death with the way they turned out, even though kind of bad. So we started off on the bad foot, but we recovered, and that's what it is. Want to stay up to date? It's plain to see.
Subscribe to our channel. It's free.
You know, don't give up. Just keep trying if you really want to do it. So that's So that's the lesson we learned, and of course we're trying to diversify our income. So we did end up making pretty good on these. We did about almost 3.5 times our initial investment. So we were really happy. They sold really well. And we sold them at a discount. Really, we might have sold them too cheap, but you know, considering we still made money, I'm really happy. We sold every one that we wanted to sell. Now she saved these for decorations, and I don't know how many. It's probably 15 up here that we got that she saved to put on the porch and down at our farm stand sign. And we really want to. Hopefully next year we'll have a bunch ready we can take to the farmers market and sell, and we'll continue selling them at our farm stand. And we're going to do some like late September and mid-October, early October. So we're going to get a variety of different bloom times. And that's another thing we learned. There's, I mean, it's different kinds. I think there's Belgium and Yoder, and we've got a mix of both. And then you got bloom time, some in early September, mid-September, late September, early October, mid-October. So we've just got, of course, the ones that we grow, they sent them to us for free, so we didn't really get to pick those. And some of them, they all turned out really great. So I don't know if that really matters if you do it late. So anyway, so we ended up making money, and we're going to continue to do it. We're going to do it again next year. Hopefully we can start out right. We're going to get our license, our nursery license, and hopefully we're going to do some automatic watering too, where we don't have to sit there with a water hose and water them all every day. So just turn it on, let them water for an hour, and fertilize them through that. So hopefully we'll get all that going. But we are going to try it again next year, or we're going to continue to do it. And man, I mean, we learned a ton of stuff. It's, you know, you watch some YouTube videos, and it's just like anything else. They make it look easy, you know. You just get you a pot, stick it in. You buy them, they come in little plugs, and you dig your little hole, you stick them in there, and throw water to them. You know, a few months later, you got a beautiful pot. So it didn't exactly work out that way. There's a little more to it, just like anything around here. So we've learned a ton, and I'll probably do a video, a detailed video, probably next fall. I mean next spring, when we start doing them and exactly what I want to do. So, but yeah, we turned out really well. We sold every one that we wanted to sell. I don't know how many we sold. Well, she knows, but I don't remember right off the top of my head. But everyone we put down our stand, we sold. So we're really happy about that, and really happy the way they turned out. So hope this was a help. We made money. We tripled our money. We're going to keep doing it. You know, it's to diversify our income a little bit. So we're going to add mums. We're just bought 16 more blueberry plants, and we're going to diversify that way. I got 6 or 8 more blueberries, not blueberries, blackberries. Hope I said blueberries. I got 16 more blueberries, 6 or 8 more blackberries, and 3 raspberries. So we're going to start some new little fruit thing out back, and that's going to come up pretty quick, so I'll make a video about that. I tried it at another location. You want to go back, look at some videos and some failures. So that was a failure down there. So I'm going to try it a different way in a different location and some different type plants. Talking about the blackberries. Our blueberries have done great. We sold quite a bit last year, and that's another thing. So we're going to be, of course, our vegetables is our main thing, and the eggs is our 2 big sellers. So we're going to add a lot more fruit. Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries. I like to add grapes. We got some muscadines going. They're kind of going so-so. Of course, we want to add, try to do some vegetable plant sales in the spring. We'll do our mums and pumpkins in the fall. We're adding sweet corn this year. We're adding some more vegetables. So we're kind of diversifying. And honey. And honey, I need to. I've got some more beehives coming. So hopefully that'll give us a good picture. And of course, we got our hay. We got our goats, dairy goats. We got our pigs. And we're actually going to sell some sausage this year. We're going to have it USDA inspected and sell it. We're not going to sell any pork chops or anything. It's mainly for us. But we got so much sausage, when we take 2 hogs to get them processed, we can't eat it all. So we're going to sell that. And we're going to get into some chickens, some pasture-raised chicken to sell out. Chicken breasts, chicken quarters, stuff like that. So we'll take y'all on a journey. We're trying to diversify. So we have a working farm here, and you can see we've got like 11.5 acres. Not all of it's farm, some of it's house and stuff. So, but hopefully we'll show you how we can make a little money here. And, if you get in that situation, you can try it too. There's about 1,000 planes flying around today. I don't know what the deal is. So nothing's loud too. So give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everybody watching. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.